Crazy kitties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. When you're here, I'm a culture freak, ME who loves to play with makeup. You've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is trying out the new Profusion palette. It's called Petal Perfect. It's one of their newest collections for the spring of 2024. There's cream blushes, there's brushes, there's sponges, there's lip oils, and I didn't get those. I just wanted the palette to be honest, because I'm not much of a cream blush type of girl. I like my powder blushes. I don't need lip oils, and I definitely don't need more brushes, but I got this and I said, you know what, I really like the color story and the price of it is pretty good. It is $12, and I got this on the profusioncosmetics.com. The shipping was fast, was easy. It was just poof, perfect. So this is the eyeshadow. You do have shimmers. You have a good amount of shimmers, and you also have a good amount of mattes, which I do like. There are no pressed glitters in this palette. Most of the palettes, like their 35 palettes, they're usually pressed glitters, but this one does not have it, which I do not mind. I don't use glitters very often. It's very sporadic when I do. So there you go. But there's a couple of shades are quite similar. I did swatch them on myself, but I'm not on camera. So the shades I'm talking about there has a little bit of a little bit different of the similarities. It's these shades right here, Lily and Prickly. This one has more of a blue base to it. This one has more of a green base. These two shades right here, Marigold and Poppy, are quite similar, but this one is a little bit deeper, while this was a little bit more, this has more of a red tone, while this one has more of a orangey tone to it. So that's that. That's the only two shades are quite similar. These four shades are quite similar to each other, but there is a little difference to them. I am trying a new eyeshadow base. It is a Beauty Creations Neutral Eye Primer. Eye base primer, and I got a Porcelain. I wanted to try it because I need a new eyeshadow base, and it was really affordable. I did get this iKate House. They had a sale BC 10 for 30% off, which is awesome. They are cruelty free, and I do like Beauty Creations products. I do have the lip products. I do have their setting spray. I really do like them. I really want to try more of these kind of bases because they got really colorful ones. They have black, white. They got different ones, and I'm just like, I really want to try them, especially when I'm doing like cut creases or anything like that. But yeah. So this is Porcelain. So this supposedly matches my shade. It is a cream base, which I do like. That's what it looks like, and you only need a very little of it. So I'm not adding a white base to it because I just want to see how the eyeshadow primer itself works and builds. So I'm just going to use a brush on that and see the coverage on this. How on camera I can definitely tell it. Yeah. So I really don't know what I'm going to go for. I was thinking about using pinks and purples, a little bit with a little blue, with a little green, but as I'm wearing a shirt that's peachy, I'm not going to do that. Like I said, these have like very cool tone to vibrant colors. They are cruelty free and vegan and paraben free. So I don't know what I'm going to go for. I might go with a peachy tone colors because I am wearing like a peachy color. I don't know for sure. Okay, we're gonna use Sunflower right here. This is the shade Sunflower. Has a little bit of kickback, so it's not a big deal to me. It has a little kickback, as long as it, really blends and does a really good job. Looks like you really got to build this color up a little bit. What I've seen for right now, you do have to go little by little, which is, it's a perfectly fine with me. So we're just gonna go. Okay, for what I've seen, the eyeshadow is really blending really beautifully with even this new eyeshadow primer. So what I am trying, so I am, like I said before, it is a brand new eyeshadow primer that I am using, so I'm not going to be used to with what it's going to do, but it's really doing really good. The eyeshadow is like really there. I really do like that. You do have to build this shade up a little bit. What this is fine with me because we are going to use a different shade on top of that color. I think I know what shade I'm going to use next. I'm going to use Pampas or Papas, this shade right here. Fun fact, I love flowers. I love flowers. My favorite flowers of all time is roses. So this is like, I really do like flowers. Like, I already told babe once, I said, babe, I want plants, I want flowers. But I love flowers. Every time I go to a like Home Depot or Lowe's, I look at the flowers because I just love them. Okay, we're gonna use Pampas. But I look at the flowers, I smell flowers. The only flowers I cannot be around with is lavender because I'm allergic to it. Okay, after that, this brown is really pretty. It is like a soft color, but also I am using a different kind of brush. I'm using more of a flat with a fluffy, which you can use it flat or fluffy depending on what. It's like a whatever shade. And I really already like this shade. I am going to go a little bit into the corner of the eye to the outer corner. Just have a nice blend. But yes, I like flowers. Like, I love hibiscus. I like the beautiful flowers that comes back every year, depending on the old ones. I don't like the annual ones because you only get to see them once and that's just it. And they're just, it's like they're beautiful and gorgeous, but ones that can come back every single year. And hibiscus are one of them. Roses are one of them. I love roses. They have a good, I love their scent. Since I'm gonna keep going with the a little bit of softy look, I'm gonna use a glitter glue like I would normally would, or like when I'm using shimmers or glitters. I'm just gonna see how it works just by itself. So looking at for making this really pretty color, I'm thinking about using Sweet Pea. I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's called Sweet Pea. A little bit kickback, but what I can tell you is they'll fall out. No fallout or anything like that. So to the eye, and how I see with the shimmer is really quite pretty. This is like, oh, I really like this color Sweet Pea. It's nice and it's really beautiful. I really like this, just like that, and just leave it how it is because I am not gonna mess with that because it's quite beautiful and I really do this. So I'm already giving this a really good, like, I love Profusion, so it's kind of hard to not be having whatever, but their eyeshadow palettes are really good. They're pigmented, easy to blend, they're beautiful. There's so many looks. I really do like this palette already. I'm definitely going to try the darker colors to see, but I like how this is giving me like a soft glam look. I definitely like how these two shades kind of mingle together. To tell you the truth, I wish it was a little bit more pigmented to a point, just a tiny bit, but it's not a bad thing. To me, add a little, if you have a little bit, you can always add more. Hard to take away when you add too much, but I like how you can easily really work to get that shade. So, of course, that shimmer, Sweet Pea. I love the shimmers. I really love and enjoy their shimmers. You can top them off if you need to. whatever the case may be. But yes, so I'll be right back with the finished look. This is the finished look. I really do like this look very much. Very not my thing I normally do. I don't do very soft glam looks very much often, but I'm trying to get into that rhythm because, you know, spring is sometimes not going full glam, so sometimes fingers. But yes, of course, all the products I'm using in this video will be down below. I do have video links if you want to help the channel out. It just helps with getting new products and also new equipment for my channel, like everything that comes. I just want, you know, do more for this channel and do like a lot more stuff than I wanted to do. But that's, you don't have to if you don't want to. For this palette, the Petal Perfect 35 shade palette, I really do like. I like how there's so many beautiful colors, very spring-like colors. You got the soft colors, you got the dark colors, you have, you know, the mauve colors, you got the dark to the light to the very soft colors. And yes, so I really do like it. For $12, it's really good. I have no bad things say about this palette. As of for right now, to me right now it's a 5 out of 5. The pigmentation is there, even though it is, you have to build it up, but I think that's the point with some of these shades too. It helps to make it a soft, very soft glam. You got the hint of color, you like those hint colors and everything. But other than that, I really do like how these colors are performing. The ones I've used, I like how they perform. But yeah, so if I didn't mention this, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, it is vegan. So if you're into that, there you go, you got a vegan product to try. But it's paraben free too, if you want to know that. But Profusion is cruelty free, 100% cruelty free. So they don't do animal testing or anything like that. So that's why I like this brand very much. It's like one of my favorite drugstore. Profusion is like one of my favorite drugstore brands. They're affordable. I really do like the palette. I really like how this collection is for spring 2024. So I give them props for this. So yeah, if you do like this video, make sure to hit the like button so I know you like seeing more content like this. I love trying out new products. I love trying to find new brands and just show them off and see what my thoughts are and share them to the world, I guess. I don't know at this point. My brain's just meh. If you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here, and of course, make sure the notification bell so you'll be notified any new videos I upload. I do go live every Monday and Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and I do go live on Fridays along with my friend Christine at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So yes, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye!